Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. It's been really hot, hasn't it? Middle of July, it's absolutely roasting and the humidity's been really bad as well. So anyway, I'm going to show you something that you can do if you've got a chimney. It's a different way of getting rid of the hot air, or venting the hot air. Put it up a chimney, something like that. All I've done is, this chimney was originally capped. I just moved the cap into one side, stuck the hose up it, and then surrounded it with rags, and when we leave I'll just put the cap in straight back, so there's really no problem there. I've checked on the chimney side and all the hot air's coming out there, great. It's actually, we did have it out the window, but we found that was a nuisance, and even the venting kit wasn't that great, so this is really ideal. Keeps the room well and cool. This model's actually from B&Q, I've had it a few years now. And all I do as well is I just get a pop bottle. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a little pop bottle, goes on the end there. And what happens is that'll just go into there, fill up. Got a little bit going on. And away you go. And that is the easiest way to do it if you've got an old chimney in a house or a bedroom. Why not do that? Because a lot of the times they're just capped off with a bit of stone and concrete, and it's an ideal way of just cooling your room. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Remain cool, don't let the heat get you down. We'll catch you later.